Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to our channel today. Of course, you know St. Patty's Day is not too many days away. And what is the most favorite dish I think of all for St. Patty's Day is corned beef and cabbage. And you can do it in a Dutch oven. We're going to do ours today in a 10-inch Dutch oven. What I did today is I like to be healthier, and with our corned beef, which is a brisket, I went ahead and simmered it in this pot for about 30-45 minutes to help get rid of some of the sodium and the fat. And of course it's sitting here and it's cooled off, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my 10-inch Dutch oven. And I prepared my cabbage. This is just a half of a cabbage, a small cabbage. I've got my carrots, my new little potatoes, onions, garlic. I'm going to leave my garlic whole. And what I'm going to do today is put all of this in my Dutch oven. And for my seasoning, because this already has a fair amount of seasoning on it, as you can see, I'm just going to put a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of caraway. Caraway goes really good with cabbage and corned beef, something like this. And then something really special that we're going to put over it is a dark beer. This is a Black Butte Porter. It is wonderful. And if I need some more liquid to put over this, I'm going to put some chicken broth that I have. So I'm going to put this all together. We're going to take it outside and cook it over briquettes. And this is one of these meals that is very quick and easy, really. But we're going to cook it low and slow, because if you don't, the corned beef has a tendency to be a little tough. So you want it to cook it low and slow and get all those wonderful flavors together. Well, thank you. We'll see you outside in a little bit. Of course, here goes this yummy beer. We'll have to have some later with our dinner. Happy St. Patty's Day to all. I hope you guys are all having a great day. We certainly are. This is such an incredible, simple meal, one pot meal, and it turned out wonderful. And of course, we can slice that later in the week for corned beef sandwiches. My goodness, it'll be wonderful. We hope that you've enjoyed this with us today, and it took about an hour and a half, not as long as we thought. These vegetables got done perfect. And of course, we're going to have a wonderful beer to go with it today. Just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. And we do have a website, WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. We have a wonderful guide that gives you wonderful tips and recipes, and it is all free. So please enjoy that. We would appreciate it. Butte, Montana celebrates St. Patty's Day like you cannot believe. Thank you for joining us. Of course, our motto is, great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Till we meet again, thank you.